or apologize to all the Indian Muslims.
We got it.
All the Indian Muslims in India, you have been demonizing and dehumanizing. Apologize to them. Say, I'm sorry. Oh Muslims, I'm a fool, I'm an idiot, I'm a Zionist, that's why I'm an idiot. I'm sorry. These are liars. When they say they're ex-Muslim, they want money from the BJP government, they want money from the Zionists, and they want visits, tours to Israel, so that they can be given platform to talk to ignorant fools. Because Zionism makes you so evil that you become a liar and you become completely mindless. This guy standing here in front of multiple cameras made a claim the Quran tells Muslims to marry their own children. I want the ayah, I want the verse right now. Or you apologize. You know these people, this is not a joke. I want everyone to listen. This is not a joke. These people, these evil people, Zionists and BJP apologists, they make these claims online to hundreds of millions of Indians. And they make these people hate Muslims. These people cause all gullible Indian masses to hate Muslims because of their lies. But when we confront them, when we challenge them, there is nothing. So I am appealing to the Indian people, the Indian masses. Don't believe these liars. Zionists are some of the most evil people on the planet Earth. They are child killers. People who sympathize with them and agree with them are apologists for child killing. Zionists are liars. So is he. His teachers are Zionists. That's why he cannot find that verse in the Quran that he claimed is there. No, brother, you're going to be famous tonight in India, inshallah. You're going to be famous.
You are literally a joke.
You're going to be famous tonight. No, you're going to be famous. All the Muslims in India, every time you see this guy, ask him for the ayah, ask him for the verse. Do not leave him alone until he apologizes to all the Muslims of India for causing hatred against them. Because people like him are being paid by the Zionists from Israel to spread hatred against Muslims in India. The BJP and the Zionists work together to hate Muslims and spread hatred against Muslims in India. You, the Indian Muslims, be proud of your faith and don't be intimidated by individuals like this. Always challenge them. There is a reason why you only make noise online. When faced with a Muslim who knows his faith, you have nothing. You have nothing. You have nothing. You have nothing but embarrassment, like you are being embarrassed right now. You have nothing.
Wait, how long are we waiting for?
इससे पहले इसको ऐसा चैलेंज मिला नहीं, इससे पहले इसको ऐसा चैलेंज मिला नहीं. आज इसने गलती की, स्पीकर्स कॉर्नर लंदन आ गया. ये समझ रहा था मैं यहाँ के अपने झूठ बोलूंगा, मैं बकवास करूंगा और मुझे कोई चैलेंज नहीं करेगा.